A very good morning to Madam Rahina and fellow friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about the symptom of obsessive compulsive personality disorder, OCPD. One in every 100 people are affected with this OCPD. OCPD is a disorder which involves an obsession with perfection, rules and organization, which lead to routines and rules for ways of doing things. According to Dr. Steven Phillipson, a person with OCPD is comfortable with their high standard and a rigid mindset. In fact, a person with OCPD will justify their action instead of admitting any sort of problem, which they blame on the environment or external circumstance. A person with this personality disorder has symptom of perfectionism that usually begin in adulthood, which is about our age. And this kind of perfectionism can take a straight A student and cause them to flunk out college. Because they try to do everything perfectly, they procrastinate assignment, and when they do, they can't complete them because their standards are so high. These are various symptoms of obsessive compulsive personality disorder. The first symptom is preoccupation, which detail rules, list, order, organization or schedule to the extent the major point of the activity is lost. This is because they give too much attention to the trivial things, which make their normal routine difficult to follow. For example, some people affected by OCPD feel the need of obsessive, clean and organized, while many are indeed clean and orderly, even though who feel the need to set up system to maintain cleanliness, whether they actually follow through with it or not. The second symptom is overly stubborn and inflexible about matter of morality, indexing and or value, and about having things done exactly their way. People with OCPD will view all action as either wrong or right. There is not in between. Of course, the person with OCPD is always right. People with OCPD also always feel the need to be right, which affected their personal relationship. They need to be in control when they are not. They withdraw emotionally. According to the cognitive model of personality disorder, they think of themselves as responsive and hardworking. According to Dr. Steven Phillipson, getting things right and avoiding any possibility of a mistake is very important to them. Due to this, they are often indecisive and procrastinating, since making the right choice is important, making even simple choice become a nightmare. Their decision often hold them back in life. For example, if they needed to find a job, even given too many choices, they can't choose any because none of are just perfect. And since always making the right choice is impossible, it becomes regular source of discontent. They hold themselves to very high standard which they can't possibly live up to. When they fail, they hate themselves and become depressed. According to Professor of the Department of Psychiatry at Brown University, they are generally pessimistic and depressed, sometimes to the point of suicide. In conclusion, obsessive compulsive personality disorder is a disorder which involves obsession with perfection, rules and organization, which lead to routines, rules or ways of doing things. If you have all some of these symptoms and they are affected your life negatively, you can get elevated and get solution for it. In addition to the 1 in 100 people who is affected by this disorder, you have your own special characteristic in you. So don't be dismotivated and live a happy life. Thank you.